Welcome back to Old Charles. Today we are talking about the Canada 5-cent coin dated 1976 and why this small coin still attracts collectors and everyday people. The 1976 Canada 5-cent coin is part of the nickel series that has been used in Canada for many years. This coin was produced during a time when Canada was celebrating important national events and economic changes, which makes it interesting for history lovers as well as coin collectors. The coin is made of nickel and has a solid feel in the hand with a simple but iconic design that many people remember from daily use. On the front of the 1976 5-cent coin you will see the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II. This portrait represents the monarch as the head of state of Canada during that period. The design shows a mature likeness of the Queen and reflects the style used on many Canadian coins in the 1970s. The inscription around the portrait identifies the Queen and the country, which adds to the official and historic appearance of the coin. The edge of the coin is plain, which is typical for this denomination. The reverse side of the coin features the famous beaver design. The beaver has long been a symbol of Canada and represents hard work, determination, and the natural resources that helped build the nation. The beaver image is bold and easy to recognize, and it has appeared on Canadian 5-cent coins for decades. Below the beaver you will find the date, 1976, which marks the year of issue. This year is also remembered because of the Montreal Olympics, which gives extra historical interest to coins from that time. Now let us talk about the value of the Canada 5-cent 1976 coin in circulated condition. Most of these coins were produced in very large numbers and were used widely in everyday transactions. Because of this, many examples show wear, such as smooth details on the beaver and light wear on the Queen's portrait in circulated condition. The value is usually close to face value, meaning it is worth about 5 cents to 10 cents depending on demand and condition. Some dealers may offer a little more if the coin has less wear and better eye appeal. When the coin is found in uncirculated condition, the value can be higher. Uncirculated coins show sharp detail, strong luster, and no signs of wear. These coins were often saved in rolls or collections and never used in daily commerce. An uncirculated 1976 Canada 5-cent coin can be worth a few dollars, especially if the surfaces are clean and the strike is strong. Coins graded by professional grading services can sometimes bring higher prices depending on the grade and market. Interest condition plays a very important role in determining the value of this coin. Collectors look closely at the details of the beaver, the clarity of the fur lines, and the sharpness of the lettering on both sides. Scratches, dents, discoloration, or corrosion can lower the value, while bright original surfaces can increase it. Cleaning the coin is not recommended because cleaning can damage the surface and reduce collector value even if the coin looks shinier after cleaning. There are also some minor varieties and errors that collectors like to search for, although major rare errors are not common for this year. Small die variations, off-center strikes, or unusual marks can sometimes add interest and value. These types of coins are usually discovered by careful examination and are valued on a case-by-case basis by experienced collectors. The Canada 5-cent coin from 1976 may not be rare, but it is a great example of Canadian coin history. It connects everyday life with national identity and historic moments. Many collectors enjoy adding this coin to their collection because it is affordable, easy to find, and meaningful. It is also a good starting point for new collectors who want to learn about grading, design, and value over time. Let's dive deeper into the history of the Canada 5-cent 1976 coin. The 5-cent coin or nickel has been an important part of Canadian currency since the mid-1800s. Over the years, the design and composition have changed, reflecting Canada's growth, economy, and national identity. The 1976 coin was issued during a period of stability in Canadian coinage when the Royal Canadian Mint was producing coins for circulation with consistent quality and design. The obverse side of the 1976 5-cent coin features Queen Elizabeth II, who has appeared on Canadian coins since 1953 following her coronation. The portrait used in 1976 was designed by Arnold McIntosh or similar artists who worked with the Mint to create lifelike images. The portrait shows the Queen in a more mature stage, emphasizing dignity and authority. The presence of the Queen on coins reminds collectors and citizens alike of Canada's constitutional monarchy and its ties to the Commonwealth. The reverse side features the iconic Canadian beaver. The beaver has been a symbol of Canada since the early 1600s because of its role in the fur trade, which was a foundation of the early Canadian economy. The first 5-cent coins featuring the beaver appeared in 1937, and since then the design has become a staple of Canadian numismatics. The 1976 coin keeps this tradition alive, showing the beaver at work on a rock, which symbolizes industriousness, and the natural environment that shaped Canada. 1976 was also a significant year in Canadian history. It was the year of the Montreal Summer Olympics, an event that brought global attention to Canada. The coinage from that year carries a subtle connection to this period of pride and international recognition. Even though the 5-cent coin does not depict the Olympics, it still represents the everyday currency used by citizens during that historic moment. The coin circulated widely in pockets, wallets, and cash. The better the strike and the more appealing the surfaces, the higher the value. There are also graded coins that have been evaluated by professional grading services. The grading scale ranges from poor to perfect mint state coins. A coin graded MS60, MS65 or higher indicates that it is in excellent uncirculated condition with minimal imperfection. Sometimes even small scratches from handling can lower the grade, but coins with strong eye appeal still attract buyers. Collectors pay close attention to details like the clarity of the beaver's fur, the sharpness of the date and lettering, and the overall surface quality. Any cleaning or polishing should be avoided because it can damage the surfaces and reduce the coin's value. Even though a coin may appear shinier after cleaning, the numismatic value usually drops. Professional graders and collectors prefer coins with natural patina or original finish. Minor dye variations or small minting errors can sometimes make a coin more interesting to collectors if they are in good condition. Overall, the 1976 Canada 5-cent coin remains a popular coin for beginners and experienced collectors alike because it is easy to find, affordable, and represents Canadian history in a tangible way.